Hi, I'm Dr. Dilip Kumar Singh, Head, JLU School of Engineering and Technology, Jagran Lake City, University, Bhopal. The value of learning computer science in engineering is pretty evident with how important tech is in our world. The demand for skilled computer engineers is high across various industries, including technology, finance, healthcare, and more. JLU School of Engineering and Technology offers variety of programs at undergraduate and postgraduate level. We offer plain BTech Computer Science and Engineering and BTech Honors CSE with various specializations like Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, User Experience, Data Science, Blockchain, and Cybersecurity. We also offer BCA and BCA Honors with the specializations like Data Science, User Experience, Cloud Computing, and Full Stack Development. At PG level, we offer MTech in Computer Science and Engineering and MCA. The curriculum is designed to provide students a well-rounded education, blending theoretical knowledge with practical skills, and often evolves to keep pace with the technological advancement and industry trends. So our students participate in lab, workshop, and projects that involve designing and building software applications or hardware prototype. These hands-on experience enhance problem-solving skills and prepare our students for real-world challenges. To support and motivate the students' innovation, the university will provide the funding of up to 25 lakhs. So our students have already developed the fully functional solar golf cart sponsored by the university, and the team of engineering students have participated and won the Smart India Hackathon conducted by Government of India. We have strong ties with industry partners, international collaborations, and the exchange programs. Concluding semester of each offered program in the JLU School of Engineering and Technology is fully dedicated for the internship or industrial training from India or abroad. So JLU School of Engineering and Technology ranked 5th by India Today ranking and AAA+ by Career 360. So we invite you to visit the campus and be the part of the journey of success.